Have you ever imagined making real things from pictures on a computer? That's what 3D printing does. It turns digital drawings into actual objects. It's like magic. But it's not just magic. It's a new way of making stuff that's changing the world. Imagine you draw a toy on a computer, and then a machine brings it to life, layer by layer. That's 3D printing. It's like having a superpower to create things out of thin air. Let's dive into this amazing world of 3D printing and discover how it's making the impossible possible. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a groundbreaking method that creates items one layer at a time, following digital 3D designs as guides. Instead of the old-fashioned way of cutting from a big piece of material, 3D printing adds material slowly, leading to less leftover material and detailed patterns. This innovative process has opened doors for creating complex structures with precision and efficiency. The beginnings of 3D printing date back to the 1980s, when Chuck Hull developed stereolithography, the earliest form of 3D printing. Over time, this technology has greatly improved, with better materials, faster printing, and more accurate results. Nowadays, 3D printing is used in many different fields, changing how we make things. It's amazing how much progress has been made since its invention. There are various kinds of 3D printing methods, such as Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM, stereolithography, SLA, Selective Laser Sintering, SLS, Digital Light Processing, DLP, binder jetting, and material jetting. Each of these methods has its own way of creating objects, suited for different materials and uses. It's fascinating to see the diversity in how things can be made using 3D printing technology plus. From plastics and metals to ceramics and biomaterials, the variety of materials used in 3D printing keeps growing. These materials have different characteristics, allowing for the production of prototypes, useful components, and even detailed artwork. It's incredible to see how many options there are for creating things with 3D printing. The flexibility of 3D printing has caused it to be widely accepted across many different industries. Healthcare and medicine. 3D printing has transformed how patients are treated by making it possible to create personalized implants, prosthetics, and guides for surgery. It allows for quick testing of medical equipment and could eventually lead to printing actual human tissues and organs. The impact of 3D printing on healthcare is remarkable, offering new possibilities for patient care and treatment. Automotive industry. Car manufacturers use 3D printing for fast prototyping, making tools and producing intricate parts using lightweight materials. Whether it's designing new car models or creating replacement parts, 3D printing speeds up innovation and cuts down on manufacturing expenses in the automotive industry. Aerospace industry. In the aerospace sector, 3D printing is vital for making lightweight yet strong aircraft parts. It allows for the development of intricate shapes, improving fuel efficiency and overall performance. Whether it's crafting engine components or building parts for satellites, 3D printing is pushing the limits of aerospace technology. Education. 3D printing enables students and teachers to see abstract ideas and make lessons more engaging. It encourages practical learning by letting students design and make models, helping them grasp STEM subjects better. It's amazing how 3D printing can make learning more interactive and enjoyable for everyone involved. Fashion industry. Fashion designers use 3D printing to explore new realms of creativity, making innovative clothing, accessories, and shoes. It provides unmatched flexibility in design, allowing designers to try out detailed patterns and unique materials. With 3D printing, the possibilities for fashion are endless, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the industry. There are many advantages to 3D printing. Quick creation of prototypes, ability to customize and personalize items, cost-effective for making small batches of products, making complex designs without extra expenses, decreased waste of materials. While 3D printing offers many advantages, it also faces various challenges. These include limited material choices for certain purposes, the requirement for post-printing adjustments, the need to maintain consistent quality, worries about protecting intellectual property, and navigating regulatory barriers in specific industries. As technology moves forward, 3D printing keeps getting better. Scientists are working hard to find new materials and make the software easier to use. They're also figuring out how to make the printing process faster and more reliable. With all these improvements, we can look forward to even more amazing things being made with 3D printers in the future. To sum up, 3D printing has completely changed how we create, build, and use things. By turning ideas from computers into real-life objects, It's opened up a whole new world of opportunities in many fields, like medicine, cars, airplanes, and clothes. As 3D printing keeps getting better, we can expect even more big changes that will affect how things are made and used in the future.